So you need to select the ratio that is equivalent to 16 colon 12 or 16 to 12. So you're looking one that matches, that has the same. So you get started until we find the one we're looking for. So let's start with 8 over 7. So you put 8 and you put 7. And then you ask yourself, okay, well, 16 times 7, and what does that equal? It equals 112. I'll make that box bigger for you guys. 112. And then 12 times 8, and what that equals? And you say 96. So 112 and 96, they don't match. So they're not equal. So let's go to 4 to 3. So you do 4, you do 3, and you ask yourself 16 times 3, and what does that equal? It equals 48. And then you ask yourself, well, 12 times 4, what does that equal? And that equals 48. Well, 4 to the third, 4 to 3, at 48 and 48, so that means that that is the equivalent ratio of 16 to 12.